welcome back to my channel. You can see that I'm barefaced today. That's because today I'm going to share with you all how you can take care of your skin during monsoons. This is a simple DIY which will help you to fight with all the bacterial problems and acne problems in your skin. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So here I'm using Good Vibes neem leaves powder. Y'all can use any neem powder. Then I'm adding some multani mitti and then 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now mixing it all very well. Now with the help of a brush, I'm applying it all over my face and neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it with cold water.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.